Are your yellow teeth ruining your pretty smile? Here are some basic tips to combat this problem. Brushing twice a day will help get rid of any plaque and food that gets stuck. You should always brush for at least 2 minutes for healthier and whiter teeth. Cleaning your tongue is as essential as your teeth. It gets rid of cavity-causing germs and bad breath too. Use a tongue cleaner or even just your toothbrush to remove all the gunk. Just make sure to clean it properly after. Flossing reduces the risk of cavities, avoids discoloration, and reduces the redness of the gums. Take the flossing thread and run it between your teeth and gums to maintain their health. When it comes to choosing a toothbrush, look for one with medium firm bristles. Try a Whitening toothpaste for extra help getting rid of stains, and add in a mouthwash too for super fresh breath. You can make your own toothpaste at home. Just mix 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and a few drops of peppermint oil. Use this every time you brush your teeth and see the difference. Charcoal is considered one of the best ingredients to whiten teeth. Dip your toothbrush in some activated charcoal powder and brush as you usually would once or twice a week. Smoking can stain your teeth and lead to weak gums, along with all the other ways in which it can cause harm. It's always better to avoid smoking, not just for oral hygiene but for overall health too. Avoid drinks like wine, coffee and tea, soft drinks, and foods with too much artificially added color. These can discolor your teeth in the long run and aren't good for your oral health either. Visit a dentist at least once a year for a proper cleanup and to check for cavities or anything else that you might need help with. If you're extremely unhappy with your stained teeth, speak to your dentist about professional teeth whitening. It's safe and the effects are long-lasting too. Check out more of our favorite videos here, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon too. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.